Hey there, good morning everyone. So, today we are going to revise the chapter Nina and the Baby Sparrows. As told earlier, we will first watch the clip of Nina and the Baby Sparrows and then we will revise the word meanings. We'll gather some extra knowledge about birds and then finally we will revise the question and answers. Okay? So, let's get started.
Nina and the Baby Sparrows is a story written by Pratibha Nath. This story tells us about a small girl named Nina and her love and care for the two baby sparrows who lived in her house. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for the wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked.
I don't want a new dress, Mother.
Said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week?
I don't want those either. Thank you, Mother.
Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, Mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything?
Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding.
But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks.
Mother,
She said,
there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. And there are two baby sparrows in the nest.
I see, said Mother.
They are just beginning to get their feathers. And growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep, cheep, asking for food.
I see, said Mother.
If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies?
Oh, Nina, cried Mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We'll leave the window open.
Oh, can we, Mother? Can we? Really?
Yes, yes. We'll remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama Sparrows can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina. While you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled?
And now it's time to revise the meanings, the word meanings, and you will also notice the pronunciation of these new words.
New words. Market. People buy and sell things in a market. Upset. The child was upset as his mother did not allow him to play in the rain. Wedding. Today is my sister's wedding. Thrilled. The children were thrilled by the magic show. Plump. There are two pluck little parrots in the cage.
So here we can see 5 new words are there. First one is market, which means a spacious place where sailors sell their things and the buyers buy from them, right? Upset. Next word is upset. Upset means being sad about something. Third one is wedding. Wedding is a ceremony in which two people are married to each other. Now the fourth word, which is thrilled. Thrilled means to have a sudden feeling of excitement and pleasure. And the last word is plump. Plump means having a full rounded shape. Now other than these 5 words, there are many different words. The meaning of those words given to you already. Okay, you will read it all and revise it all nicely. Now how about we gather some extra knowledge about birds?
Hi, I'm Teacher Donna. I'll give you some extra knowledge related to the topics. Birds around us. There are different types of birds around us. Birds are seen in different colors. Are seen in different colors. Our national bird, peacock, has different colors on its feathers. Some birds, like cuckoo, sing very sweetly. Most of the birds build nest and lay eggs in it. Ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world.
And finally, it's time for us to revise the questions and answers. This is the first question. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? So, you know that, right? There was great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married. Let's move on to next question. Why was Nina worried? Nina was worried for the baby sparrows in her room. She thought that the baby sparrows might die of hunger if the whole family went for the wedding. This is the reason why she did not want to go to the wedding and she wanted to stay back and look after the babies. Let's see the third question. What did mother suggest? Mother suggested that if they locked Nina's room from outside and kept the windows open, then the mama and papa sparrows would be able to come in and go out freely. In this way, the baby sparrows will not go hungry and Nina would also be able to enjoy the wedding. And the last question of this chapter is, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found 2 healthy little sparrows flying all over the room when she came back from the wedding. Alright kids, that's all for today's class. We'll meet again in the next class with another chapter. Bye bye.